19번째 참가자입니다. 김포 고촌 캠퍼스 김채윤 학생.
The title is Let's Save the Earth.
Hello everyone, my name is Chaeyoon. Before I begin my presentation, please take a look at this picture here. Our Earth is on fire now. Let me show the next picture. Yes, this is a picture of trash dumped mindlessly on the street. As soon as you look at it, you wouldn't want to take a second look. Thus, I would like to discuss the environmental problems that are closely related to our daily life. When you think about pollution, the topic of air pollution comes to mind as the most serious problem nowadays. Our air is becoming polluted owing to harmful gases emitted into the air, primarily carbon emissions. Eventually, we breathe in these gases, which leads to serious health problems. In addition, reckless disposal of garbage contributes in further polluting our environment. At several campsites, beaches, or even streets, one can easily spot trash. When plastic is littered, it can pollute the land because it does not break down easily. Did you know that it takes about 500 years to completely break down a single plastic straw? Then, what can we do to solve these problems? We can reduce carbon emissions by simply changing our habits. For instance, you can ride a bicycle or even walk short distances. Moreover, you can carry an eco bag when you go to the market. When you carry an eco bag, you use less plastic trash. It's quite amazing, isn't it? The most important thing we can do is to fulfill the 3R, which stands for reduce, reuse, recycle. The 3R is the best way of managing waste from the most to the least practical. Many of the things we currently dump could be reused again with just a little thought and consideration. By doing this action in our daily life, we can help prevent emissions of greenhouse gases, reduce pollutants, and even save energy. In fact, we can start with the little thing in our everyday life to keep our environment clean and save the earth in the end. Therefore, I say, any effort you put in will definitely pay off. That's all I have today. Thank you for listening.
Thank you very much, Chaeyoon. Good advice.